how to get the live data of the current data of the different countries from within the Excel. All right, so I have these 5 countries and I want to get the details of this. Of course these are static, but I'm just showing an examples, right? So you can get the live data of these countries. So how do we do that? So before proceeding, we need to convert this into a geography object. For that, go to data and then click on geography. It will take a couple of seconds. Okay, so it's done now. These are all geography objects. Now we can derive or get all the metadata for each country. Let's say, for example, I want the flag of each country is equal to, select this and then image, right? So since this is a auto formatted table, the formula got auto populated for each rows, right? And I want the area is equal to dot area, right? And same way currency code. Looks like it's not working. Oh, sorry, I should have select is equal to correct, the currency code, right? I don't know whether we have a symbol option. Let's check this first. Population. Okay, yeah, this must be accurate as per the data which Excel has. And not just this, that we click this, you will get all these details. For example, what's the GDP and what's the currency code, a lot many things, right? So yeah, using this you can get the latest data of or metadata of each country in the world. Thank you.